Have you ever looked up at the moon and wondered about its soft glow? In the heart of West Java, Indonesia, the Sundanese people whisper a name. They tell stories of Nini Anteh, the old lady who lives on the moon. She is a kind and gentle soul, always weaving stories with the moonlight. For generations, the Sundanese people have gathered under the moonlit sky. Storytelling was more than just entertainment. It was how they shared their history, their dreams, and their hopes for the future. The moon, with its gentle light, was a silent listener to these tales. It inspired them with its beauty and mystery. One story tells of Prince Anantakusuma, a kind and just ruler beloved by all who knew him. His reign was marked by peace and prosperity, and his people flourished under his wise and compassionate leadership. He was known for his love for his people and his fascination with the moon. Every night, he would gaze at the celestial body, wondering about its mysteries and the stories it held. One night, he saw Nini Anteh weaving her magic under the moonlight. Her hands moved with such precision and grace, creating patterns that seemed to dance in the moon's glow. Captivated by her skill and grace, he wished to meet her. He felt a deep connection to her work, as if the threads she wove were intertwined with his own destiny. With the help of a magical bird, the prince ascended to the moon. The journey was filled with wonder and awe as he soared through the night sky, leaving the world he knew far behind. He spent days learning the art of weaving from Nini Anteh, who taught him not just the techniques, but the deeper meanings behind each thread and pattern. Through her teachings, he discovered new ways to bring joy and harmony to his kingdom. Returning with gifts of wisdom and kindness for his people, the prince shared the knowledge he had gained. His kingdom thrived even more, as the lessons of the moon weaver brought new light and hope to all who lived there. Another story speaks of a poor hunter's daughter with a heart of gold. Her name was Lila, and she was known throughout the village for her kindness and generosity. Despite her family's humble means, she always found ways to help those in need. One fateful night, under the light of a full moon, Lila stumbled upon a tiny glowing seed. It shimmered with an otherworldly light, unlike anything she had ever seen before. Intrigued and guided by an inner voice, she decided to take it home. With great care, she planted the seed in her garden, hoping it would grow into something beautiful. To her astonishment, by the next morning, a magnificent tree had sprung up overnight. Its branches reached towards the sky, and its leaves sparkled with a magical glow. The tree bore fruits that glowed like the moon itself, casting a gentle, soothing light over the entire village. These magical fruits were said to possess incredible healing properties, and could bring prosperity to anyone who consumed them. Nini Anteh, the village elder, was deeply moved by Lila's discovery, and her willingness to share the fruits with everyone. She took Lila under her wing and shared her ancient wisdom, teaching her the secrets of the magical tree. With Nini Anteh's guidance, Lila learned how to use the fruits to heal the sick and bring prosperity to her village. She distributed the fruits to those in need, and soon the village flourished like never before. Lila's selflessness and the magical tree's gifts transformed the lives of everyone around her, creating a legacy of kindness and abundance that would be remembered for generations. Today, the story of Nini Anteh continues to evolve. Some imagine her as a skilled astronaut, soaring through the cosmos. She travels from star to star, using her teleportation skills to help those in need. She brings light and hope to the farthest corners of the universe, just like the moon illuminates the darkest nights. Nini Anteh, the old lady who lives on the moon, is more than just a character in a Sundanese folktale. She represents the enduring power of storytelling, the magic of the moon, and the importance of kindness and wisdom. Her stories, passed down through generations, connect the Sundanese people to their past, their dreams, and the cosmos. Nini Anteh's tales are not merely bedtime stories. They are a bridge to a time when the world was simpler, yet filled with wonder. Each story she tells is imbued with lessons that transcend time, teaching the values of compassion, bravery, and the beauty of the natural world. As the moonlight bathes the earth, it carries with it the whispers of her ancient wisdom, reminding us all of the interconnectedness of life. Through her, the moon becomes a symbol of hope and continuity, a celestial body that watches over us, guiding us with its gentle light. The Sundanese people, young and old, gather under the night sky, their faces illuminated by the moon, to listen to her enchanting tales, feeling a deep connection to their heritage and the universe.